Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen, and today we are going to unbox a couple new products from Charteks. They reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in reviewing their products. So Charteks developed an innovative diamond art series where the adhesive is on the diamond, not on the canvas. And their core value is about fostering meaningful bonds through toys designed for children and adults to play together, create, and grow. This is Animal Babies, paint by numbers. There are 36 sheets in here, and it comes with diamond stickers. And when they reached out to me, they let me look at their website, which I will link down below for you all, so that I could pick out something that I was interested in. And I told them I was interested in the diamond art. Let's see what's on the back of it. Digichroma. And then it tells you in different languages, created in China. And it says, this is Digichroma 17 color diamond animal babies, paint by numbers set. And this is the dog. They also have a cat for those of you diamond art painters who love the cats. So we have a few sheets of this color, orange. And, oh, look. I hope you can see it, but some have the number 5 in the background there. And this one must be a lighter orange because it has 0. So we can differentiate between the two. Yeah, I can see that different colors now. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in order. We have 3 of the 0 so far. Let me just get these situated here. We only have 1 of each. Interesting. And we have 1 sheet here. Let's read the instructions. What does it tell us to do? Take the clay. Okay, here's the clay. Pick up the diamond and place the diamond on the corresponding number. This isn't sticky at all. The glue isn't on the piece of paper. It's on the back of these. Number 3 is all along the top here. So what I'll do is I will move this other stuff aside. I'll leave the 3s out because that's what we're gonna work on first. And then let's bring this over. So it says, take the clay, and mind you all, I have not done this myself. So we're doing it for the first time together. Gonna push down into the clay, and then we'll get our letter, and then it says pick up the diamond. I'm gonna pick up the diamond. It slipped off very easily, and you place the diamond. Wow, that was really easy. Okay, let's do it again. Let me zoom in. Take the diamond off, put the diamond on. This is very cute. It's so neat. So I think what I'm gonna do, they slide off so easy. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to work on this. I can see the benefit of this for children, most definitely. And I'm gonna finish this. And then I'll come back and show you the final product. Hang tight and I'm back. Here is the end result. I found at the end that it was easier for me to use tweezers to lay the drills precisely, but for a child, they may not be as particular. This could be a nice way to introduce a child over the age of 3 years to learn to diamond paint. Link to the company down below in my description. If you like this video, click like and subscribe on your way out. It's free and you help support the channel. I appreciate you being here with me today, and I'll see you in my next one.